Hey guys, this is Cameron back with another video, and I am back trading E-mini futures. I have the chart open right here. I know it's been a while since I have last traded, and that's just because I didn't really take many trades. As you can see, my account balance is a little bit different than it was last time. That is because I blew an account while I was gone. And so I'm hoping to do a little bit better in this account. As you can see, my chart also looks a little different. I'll go over to my chart elements. We have a 14 period ATR. We have a RSI with a value of 20 in it. And then we have a few EMAs. We have an EMA 9 period, 15 period, 30 period, 65 period, and 200 period. And then we also have some pivot points that are on the chart. So those will hopefully help me trade a little bit better. We got a pivot point right up here along with the 200 period EMA. That may be a pretty good area for a reversal. It may want to blow straight through it and go higher. I don't quite know. We're also on the 5-minute chart, which I don't think you've ever seen on this channel before. Just because I've never really done that before. So hopefully this will be a pretty good trading day. I'm hoping to make about $1,600 with a well, you know what? I just realized I've changed how I do my scalp strategy. But yeah, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we can take it out for a bit of a profit. At this point, what I do is I do 2 contracts, put one in, try and get a 4-point scalp for one of the contracts, and then I leave the other one as a runner, so then I can hopefully capture some big wins. I'm not betting on a home run, but if I get a home run, why not? I'll take it. So we're at about 6:04, thinking about 6:05. This is Sunday, June 21st at 6:04 p.m. About to be 6:05 in about 30 seconds. So we will see how the market develops, and hopefully we're able to get a pretty good setup here. So follow along, and hopefully I can make a good win day. Yeah, I'm going to get in right here. Hopefully it is good to us. Okay, looks like we hit our first profit target. I'm going to bring this up to break even, so then it is a risk-free trade at this point. And hopefully it continues further down so we can capture more profits. Alright, that stopped us out. So unfortunately, we only made 200 on that. But I'll take a small win. That's perfectly fine with me. We are back up about $200 down from our trailing stop loss. So let's just look for another good opportunity, and hopefully we can capture more of this downtrend if it wants to continue going down. Because this definitely looks like a change of character, how it went past this and seems to be wanting to close above this as well. So I think I'd be willing to take a buy order right here. Yeah, we'll do that, and hopefully we can hit our profit target. That's based on the RSI being so low. Hopefully it will continue further up for us, at least until it hits this green area here around 70. Sometimes people do it 20 and 80 instead of 30 and 70, but I've seen it both ways. So got a 4-point stop loss. Hopefully we can continue to the upside at this point. I think I want to bring up my stop loss early, just to be safe. I don't know if it's going to continue going up at this point. It could reverse down since it reserved a little strength in the RSI. Oh, but you know what? We might maybe hit the profit target, the first one. Okay, we hit it. Very nice. Okay, well, that is saved for us. So that's very, very nice. Let's see how far further up we can keep bringing it, and hopefully we can continue trending higher. Yep, there it is. Okay, so we are $400 up for the day. Not too bad, not too bad. Again, $200 down, and that's just because our second trade came back and hit our stop loss. So let's just take a look here and see what we want to do. This would have been a good short opportunity here since it seems to have just bounced off of this level. If it kind of continues or kind of pulls back here, then I may want to enter a short. I think that's enough of a pullback. I'll enter in there, and hopefully we can hit our targets. Looks like about one more tick. There we go. Stopped out. We're in. Hopefully this goes in our favor this time. Here it comes. And we're stopped. Okay. Yeah, we're down 350 for the day. We can only really take one more loss before we're done for the day. Alright, it's going down. I'm betting down. Yep, and then we're going to see all the green. Alright, we hit it. Move my take profit or my stop loss to break even, and hopefully we can catch a runner on this one. Alright, stopped us out. So that is it for that trade, and we are currently $306 up for the day. Not too bad. I don't know if I'm quite done with the shorts yet, so we'll just have to see. Alright, that looks pretty good. I'll get into that. There we go. First profit target hit. Stop loss is at break even, so hopefully we can continue to the downside now. All right, stopped us out. We are 900 bucks up for the day. Not too bad, not too bad. Still liking the shorts right now. Might want to enter into another one, but we'll just have to see where the market takes us. Yep, it's looking pretty good for bearish. Maybe not. I'm already in a trade though, so we'll just have to see how it goes. All right, we hit our first profit target, so coming up to break even now, and we'll see if we can get any extra profit. I'm not sure if this runner is going to work out too well. We'll just have to see. But I don't have a lot of hope for this runner this time. Usually when there's one green bar up, it usually follows with a good red bar after that. So hopefully that happens, but we'll just have to see. And it stopped us out. And that is fine because we are still up for the day. So currently we are at $1,100 and a little bit of change for the day. So hopefully we can see what the market wants to do and make another trade. All right, we're betting up on this one, which we might hit it now, which we did. Very nice. Oh, and you know what, guys? We are almost at our profit target for the day. So I'm probably going to put my... Where do I want my stop loss? Right about here. I think that would get it for us. Oh, actually a little too high. I think right there would get it for us. So hopefully we can hit that second profit target, and that would be all we need for the day. And if we can hit that, then we are done, and that will be the first in profit day in a very long time. So that would be very nice. Hopefully we can hit that, so we'll have to see. All right, we got stopped out of that position. Not too big of a deal. Let's look for another one here. And hopefully we can get one more good profit target, and we will be done for the day. Actually, it might be rejecting off that green EMA right there. So, yeah, let's go for a short. Let's see how it goes. All right, we are out of that trade. Didn't look like it wanted to go any lower there, so we only need 200 more bucks. I'm actually just gonna do one order at this point, because if I hit the profit target on just 4 points, then it should get us 400 bucks. Yep, we're looking okay. So, gonna get into that trade. We will bring this take profit right there, and hopefully we can get just a little bit higher than we did over here, and be able to make a higher high than we have in a while in this market, and hopefully hit our take profit. So we'll have to see. Come on, come on. Okay, we hit it, guys. All right. Wow. So that was a struggle there at the end, just as soon as the market wanted to turn on us. So we got $1,600 for the day. That is beautiful, especially after so long of just loss and loss and loss, as you've seen on this channel. So I'm really, really happy with that. If I can get, I don't know, 3 more days of profit at that level, then what we would be able to do is pass this account, and we would be able to get a performance account for Apex. So that would be really amazing. We'll just have to see how the market treats us in the next few days. So this was a great time, guys. Let me actually go back over these trades, just so then we can do a little bit of a recap. So this trade I bet down, and surprisingly, I mean, I barely caught the tip of that. And then it completely reversed on us. We got break even on the second trade. And then I bet up on this. We barely hit that take profit, and then it came down, hit us at break even. We took a losing trade here. That's too bad. And then looks like we took another losing trade here. So that was looking pretty bad at that point. If we had gotten one more loss, then we would have been done for the day. But we were able to catch this first take profit and a little bit more for the second take profit. And then we bet down again and got here and here. Then we bet down one more time and got here and here. Hit the first take profit. Second one came a little bit later. And it wanted to stop us out right as the market was swinging so high. And as you can see here, and I'll go over these last couple trades. Market went up here, so I got my first take profit and break even on the second one. And then right here, it was pretty much a full break even trade because I just didn't want to risk any more. And then right here, we bet to the upside one last time, and it did that and even more. My goodness, has it gone up from there. So really happy with that day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll try and get this edited and posted same night as I usually do. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. All right, bye.